My name is Sabir and he's my son Muhammad Subhan Dilawar. Well, I was born in Al Ain, so since my birth I'm in UAE only, and he's my son who came to world on 23rd September 2019. Since birth he's in hospital, so he is diagnosed with a very rare disease called as microvillus inclusion disease. In this disease, the patient cannot take anything from mouth, even the milk also. So in this disease the intestine is not working, so he can't take anything else from the mouth. So it's a very rare disease in this world and there's no cure in this world. It's really hard to believe that my baby has such a rare disease in this world, which is not curable. It was in December. When it was in December, they said me that your baby has this disease. So it's really hard when we came to news that your baby has such a rare disease in this world. So I was running behind many doctors to get me the complete what is this disease means, even in Dubai, even in Pakistan as well. And the doctors say he has to go for intestine transplant and liver transplant as well. They are looking for the living donor for intestine transplant. Liver, I'll give my liver, that's not an issue. But for the intestine transplant, they are looking for the living donor whose brain is dead. They are pushing us to shift him back to Pakistan because there's no cure in this world. So we are planning to shift back to Pakistan, but due to the bill, we are still stuck in this UAE. Well, I have lost my job also. So since March, I'm not working. So I'm with my baby only in hospital. I have 2 more children, so they are out of school also since March. They are not going to school anymore because due to lack of funds, I cannot make them to study in this UAE. I'm here still with my son in this hospital for the 9 months and 15 days. They have treated my baby well with all the treatment which they can provide to my baby. So they have treated very well. I'm very thankful to the Jalila hospital. They have given my son a very good treatment. But as the expenses rise to 2.2 million, so they are I can't pay the amount 2.2 million dirham. So I'm jobless for the last 4 months. All what I had myself, my savings, I have already put on this baby. I came into a debt of 30,000 dirham because I'm staying in a villa in Rashidia, so I'm not able to pay the rent also in Rashidia of my room. So I'm still surviving by just borrowing money from different people and my brother in Al Ain. In Pakistan, Al Shifa International Hospital in Islamabad, they have accepted this case. So the expense there also for 1 day is 2,200 dirham, means it's 100,000 rupees, Pakistani rupees. So I can't able to pay all of this amount because I have what I had myself, I already put on my baby.